All right, let's get right to it. So today we're going to be taking a look at credit building using secured cards. So what are secured cards? Secured cards are credit cards that require a cash deposit that will serve as collateral in the account. This basically means you will take, let's say, $200, and that will be used to give you a credit limit of $200. These cards are typically for people with no credit history at all. I'm talking people who just turned 18, or maybe you've never gotten a credit card at all. And also with people, also for people with bad credit. So let's say you have some negative items in your account, like a charge-off, a collection, or even a repo. This is a really good option for you because chances are you're not qualifying for those higher limit credit cards anyway. And this gives you the opportunity to get your foot in the door and to also build up your credit history in the process. So how do they even build credit history or build credit? So secured cards give you consistent payment history, which is 35% of your credit score. Since it is the biggest portion of your credit score, and we do have the option to manipulate it by adding more accounts, thus giving you more payment history, because the more accounts you have, the more chances you have to report positive payment history. So every time you make an on-time payment, it actually increases your score, because every month the credit card will report to the credit bureaus and they'll see another on-time payment, and that will increase your score. And it also shows responsibility to lenders, because even if you have negative items in your credit report, you now have this card that you're making on-time payments on. So how do you even pick a secure card? So not all secure cards are created equal. There are a lot of different options for secure cards, but the main thing you want to focus on is a secure card that graduates. So graduation, or cards that graduate, means that after a certain time period, the lender will take a look at your payment history. And if you have decent payment history, I'm talking that you make a payment on time every month, they'll give you an option to take that credit card and turn it into a regular credit card. You get your cash deposit back, and you get an increased credit limit. So I do have some card recommendations. I do urge you to do your own research. This stuff does update frequently. I grabbed this as of probably the week of this video. I'm not sure when I'm going to upload this, but definitely do your Googles. Definitely go to each of these websites and take a look to see what they're currently offering. But the three options I have picked, the first one is NIH Federal Credit Union. This credit union is really cool. There are a lot of stipulations requiring what you need to have in order to apply for this card. Easiest way to get this card is just have a membership with NIH. It's really easy. You sign up for a nonprofit, I think it's a $5 a year membership fee, something like that. I'm pretty sure it's $5. You pay that $5, you get access to their bank, and you can apply for a secure card that day. This one graduates in about 6 to 7 months. I heard it was at least 6. So definitely, like I mentioned, double check, call in to make sure they didn't change the policy that day. But as of this video, it was 6 months. The APR is 8.99%, which is extremely low for a secure card, probably the lowest I've ever seen. And there's no annual fee, which is always cool. Next one is Navy Federal Credit Union. This one is very strict. You need to have a member of your family who's currently in the military. You need to have even a deceased family member will work, actually. Or you live with someone who has a Navy Federal Credit Union account that can give you the access code. A little bit weirder, but this rewards card is really cool. Same thing, graduates in 6+ months. APR is 18%. There's no annual fee. And if you get this secure card, you're pretty much gaining access to all of the rest of Navy Federal's cool credit cards, like those high limit ones, those credit cards with the nice reward points. So that's always a great option to go for. The next runner up is Discover It Secure Card. This one doesn't have a lot of stipulations on what you need to do. You just pay that minimum deposit. Discover is pretty easy to get into. This one does graduate in 8+ months. The second one is really interesting. I thought there was no intro APR like bonus or anything, but when I checked at the time of me making this video, I saw that they had an offer for 0% intro APR for 14 months, which is pretty crazy. I'm not sure why they're offering that. Last month when I checked, they weren't offering that. So definitely check before you sign up for this one. That's the first time I've ever seen this. And also no annual fee. And this one also offers 1 to 2% cash back, which is pretty cool for a secure card. So if you do the plan to like use this to buy groceries or get gas, you are getting some cash back, which is always a good thing. But yeah, these are my top 3 recommendations. If you want like a personal list of cards that you can get, you can always get a consultation with me. I would love to give you some personal recommendations based off your credit report and based off what's reporting currently. And yeah, if you guys have any questions or you want more videos, just let me know and I'll get it right to you.